You've done a lot of work so far. Let's take a moment to review all you learned in this course. First, you learned the key components of the planning phase and explored how proper planning ensures that milestones and tasks are completed. Next, you learned why it is necessary to create and manage a project plan, how to utilize time estimation methods to prevent project failure, how to get viable estimates using soft skills, and which tools you can use to build a project plan. Then, you learned what the components of a project budget are, how the budget process works, and the concepts behind estimating and tracking a project budget. And we discussed how the procurement process flows to manage paperwork, bids, proposals, and performance. You also learned about risk management and how it helps prevent project failure. You learned how to identify risks and measure their impact on a project, and how to communicate and monitor potential risks once they're identified. Finally, you learned how important it is to document plans. You learned how to organize plans to provide visibility and accountability, and what elements of a simple communication plan are vital to project success. In the next course, you'll continue on to executing and closing a project, where my colleague Alita will be your guide. She's going to teach you all about tracking and measuring project progress, risk management, using data to make decisions, and effective project communication. I had a wonderful time sharing my project management experience with you. Best of luck.